Receiving money on Crypto.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can successfully receive funds through the platform. Step 1. Create an account. If you haven't already, download the Crypto.com app and create an account. Provide the necessary information, complete the verification process, and secure your account with two-factor authentication. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet. Once logged in, go to the wallet section of the app. This is where you can manage your cryptocurrencies and view your balances. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. Tap on the asset to open its details, where you will find options related to that currency. Step 4. Generate your wallet address. In the cryptocurrency details, look for the option to receive funds. This will generate a wallet address for you. Copy this address or use the QR code provided for easy sharing. Step 5. Share your wallet address. Send your wallet address to the person or entity sending you money. Ensure they are sending the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any loss of funds. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to receive money on Crypto.com without any issues. Always double check the details to ensure a smooth transaction.